Hi, I am Crystal G. Buchanan, and in this video I am going to describe you about nocturnal emission natural cure, herbal remedy for nocturnal emissions. Nocturnal emissions, also known as wet dreams, is a condition in which a male faces semen leakage or seminal discharge at night. The man having erotic thoughts in his head is usually what triggers this leakage, though sometimes it can happen with no apparent reason too. Mostly, this leakage happens unknowingly, such that people realize about it only when they wake up in the morning. Medical experts have explained that weak sexual health is often the cause of most male sexual health problems. This weak sexual health could be a result of overall weakness in the body or weak health, or because of the habit of overmasturbation. While the former is caused due to poor lifestyle habits, improper diets, dependency on substances, etc., the latter is because of habit, which eventually does not give enough time to the sexual organs to rest and recover, and that causes sexual health problems. When it comes to the cure, natural or herbal remedies are the best. Earlier, people were very shy of discussing these kinds of problems with their doctors, because they thought that having sexual problems is like a social taboo. However, these days, people are more aware and smart, and know that neglecting such problems will only make them worse. This is the reason why they are gradually opening up to discuss these issues with their doctors. Thankfully, herbal remedies are pretty effective. Capsules such as NF Cure and Vital M40 are not only efficient in treating a wide variety of male sexual health problems, such as premature ejaculation, wet dreams, erectile dysfunction, semen leakage during urination or bowel movement, etc., but are also good in boosting one's overall health. The good thing about opting the herbal route is that your body faces no side effects. All the ingredients used in these capsules are herbal or natural, and thus, they blend well with anybody's body, ensuring that there are no bad reactions. Plus, these herbs have been tried and tested since ancient times, and most medical experts vouch for them. With so many advantages of NF Cure and Vital M40, you must also know that these capsules are available pretty easily over the internet, which means that you can buy them and consume them with total confidentiality. If you are shy of letting others know about your condition, then this is your best secret cure. Don't let sexual health problems hamper your life. Let these herbal remedies do their magic for you. Buy NF Cure and Vital M40 capsules from worldwideweb.nfcureopsals.com.